Meaning of GE.
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 GE. GE is a commonly used acronym that can stand for different phrases depending on the context. In the business world, GE often refers to General Electric, a multinational conglomerate corporation that operates in various industries such as aviation, healthcare, energy, and more recently digital technologies. In the academic domain, GE could refer to general education, a set of courses outside students' major areas of study, providing them with foundational knowledge and skills. Overall, the meaning of GE may vary based on the specific situation and field of reference.